Easy step to make a website in 2021 Ultimate Guide. How to make a website Ultimate Guide last updated on December 1, 2020 by Adam Infrey. With the rise of social distance and the work from home economy, more businesses are moving online and building their own website. In fact, there are near 1.5 billion websites in the world today. One big reason is that the barrier to enter is low and there is easy way to make a business website with no coding knowledge required. With numerous website builders available, the process is now pretty easy and you don't need a web developer. Our dedicated website offer many advantages. Our channel like Facebook and Instagram allowing your business to showcase all the brand elements the way you want. It also provide a steady follow of information to interested consumer and lets your influence their buying process. With a business website, you can announcing news and update, offering discount and promotion, providing your address and contact information, giving customer a way to contact you via a contact form, showcasing the service you offer, displaying your product, generating leads, and many more. To help you get started, I wrote this detailed guide to help you create a website in 10 easy steps. This guide covers how to make a website with Wix as well as other alternatives like Squarespace, Weebly, and WordPress. This ultimate guide includes everything from planning and setting up your site to publishing your website and attracting your first customer. Let's get started. Table of content, plan your new website. Number 2, choose your domain name and logo. Designing your website, decide with the pages for you need using drag and drop editor. How to get free stock photography. Website SEO, create a blog for your website, publish your website, step up your email account. What are the some Wix alternative? Executive summary, plan your new website. As the famous saying by Anthony de Saint-Exupéry goes, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Pretty simple. You need to have before you are building your website, you element of your website that you can afford to forget. At this stage, you should the page and section of your website that are essentially the main focus area of the website, the topic you want to cover, your design and color consideration, handling and sub handling required, header, footer, sub pages, and sidebar design, your home page image and messaging. One great way to approach this planning is to draw mind maps of the entire website making process. Here are the steps that can help you achieve it. I write a simple outline of the page that you want to include on your website. Visit and study is detail the website of your peers and immediately competitor. For example, you want to start a new e-commerce store. You should search for term in your niche and find competitor website. Then take a look at their messaging layout and pricing. Open a spreadsheet and take note about the keyword you want to target. The page you will need your target audience and unique value proposition. Perform SEO research on relevant keyword and how to incorporate them into your website to drive more organic traffic. I cover this in depth in my ultimate guide to starting a blog for beginners. Remember, visitors are impatient and need to understand what your website is all about at a quick glance. For example, you don't need every single piece of information on your homepage. A strong heading, sub-heading, and call to action should quickly give visitors the information they need. And don't overcomplete the planning process. Website can involve and change over time. Once you know the pages you need, the keyword you want to target, it's time to move to the next step. Choose your domain name and logo. Your website need a name and brand identity According to a Nelson study, there are more than 5 lakh brand worldwide in over 2000 product categories. Needless to say, it's challenging to stand out among the competition. Business have to create a space in the consumer mind using unique brand elements and value proposition. To that end, a unique domain name and logo can help immensely. The good news is that many website builders can help you add brand element easily. Take Wix for instance, it takes care of both your domain name as well as logo requirement. You get a personal domain name with all the Wix plan except the free one. Every premium plan offers a free domain voucher upload purchase. Once you log in your Wix account, you need to enter your credential to opt for a domain name. Sometimes the domain name that you desire may not be available. In that case, you will need to choose a different domain name.